everyone! Let's talk about leadership and its essential qualities to achieve an effective, successful kind of leadership. By definition, according to Merriam-Webster's dictionary, leadership is the capacity to guide a person or a group. In my understanding, leadership is the ability to influence, motivate, and guide individual or groups toward achieving a common goal. It is not just about holding a formal position or authority, but rather having sets of skills and behaviors that empowers individual to reach their potential and contribute effectively. It is a social process where individual works together towards achieving a result that they cannot achieve by doing so alone. Effective leadership fosters collaboration, communication, and a shared sense of purpose, ultimately driving success. And for an effective leadership, one must possess essential qualities. There are several essential qualities that define a successful leader for any organization. A well-rounded leader is capable of providing guidance and inspiration to everyone around them. Their leadership style is made up of authority as well as positive attitude in order to foster their team members' qualities and create a work environment where they can be open, honest, and productive. Along with being authoritative and approachable, effective leaders possess a growth mindset. This means that they are always focused on the organization's common goal and overall mission. Successful leader demonstrates the following leadership qualities in their professional and personal lives, inspiring others to take action and set a course for success. First, they are self-aware and prioritize their personal development. This quality means that effective leaders focus on their emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, by definition in leadership, refers to ability of the leader to understand and manage their own emotion as well as their emotions of others, and to effectively lead and motivate their teams. It's about recognizing how emotions influence decision-making and behavior both in oneself and in the others, and using this awareness to build strong relationships, foster positive work environment, and drive performances. Leaders that work to refine these qualities are more adaptive, resilient, and accepting of feedbacks from others. They also practice active listening, are open to change, and capable of effective communication. Second, they help develop others. This means that they focus on developing others, and this leadership quality suggests that effective leaders adapt to whether an individual or group is ready or willing and able to take specific actions. Delegating, coaching, and mentoring are important tasks for leadership. Leaders develop a team with diverse skills and backgrounds and give team members the tools and the space to build trust among each other. Effective leaders know how to be assertive and demonstrate empathy as well as strength. Third, they encourage strategic thinking, innovation, and action. As a leader, you have to look forward. You have to think about where the organization is going. Leaders must consider internal organization factors such as product roadmap and staffing needs, as well as external factors including regulations and technology advancement when making strategic decisions. Leaders focus on the future and understand that change is occurring all around and one must maintain a positive outlook. Leaders encourage creativity and innovation in teams through exercises such as brainstorming or prototyping. Fourth, they are ethical and civic-minded. Ethical and civic-minded kind of leadership emphasizes a leader's commitment to the well-being and betterment of the community. It involves engaging in a civic life, promoting the common good, working collaboratively to address the community challenges. This type of leadership is characterized by a strong sense of responsibility towards the community and the desire to make a positive impact. And lastly, Leaders practice effective communication. Respected leaders are able to clearly communicate with individuals, business units, and the entire company outside the organization. In an increasingly global economy, leaders must also acknowledge and respect different communication traditions. We are living in a time where the importance of leadership is becoming more evident with each passing day. We know that effective leadership can make our world safer, happier, and a healthier place with fewer military conflicts, more equitable economic system, and greater access and opportunity for all people regardless of their gender, race, ethnicity, and sexual orientation. Currently, we have a shortage of leaders primarily because not everyone understands that leadership is a combination of art and science and that it takes time and effort to develop. For those willing to put in the hard work to hone their leadership capability, the reward and benefit can be significant and gratifying. Becoming more effective leader helps individual achieve the kind of purpose and impact that makes life meaningful and productive. I hope you learned something about leadership and its essential qualities.